Hello guys, it's your girl Lilvion. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your great support guys. I don't take it for granted guys. So it is a beautiful morning. I decided to wash these my flowers here, as you can see guys. It was having a lot of dust, so I decided to bring them here and clear up this dust. Pretty much when you are watering the flowers. When I'm trying to make this dust, for more. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Keep on supporting me, and if you have not yet subscribed, just subscribe now guys. Give me a support, subscribe, like and share. And if you want to be watching my videos when I upload, just turn on the notification bell. Then when I upload another video, you will be getting a notification to show you that I have uploaded another video. So thank you so much guys. Let's meet to the next video. I love you so much. Bye.